Here at E13, we're growing really fast, and there's so many new products in the pipeline, but we are particularly proud of our carbon wheels. Performance and durability have been proven year after year on the World Cup track, which is why we now offer a lifetime warranty on all carbon rims and wheels. Internally, we test our products on terrain all over the world. We have offices in Germany, California, Taiwan, and Canada. For the wheels, most of the design and testing takes place in our San Luis Obispo office, which is the central coast of California.
My name is George Dubois. I'm the engineering director here at E13. We use this machine to load a wheel set with vertical and horizontal loads, and then we can compare the deflection and thereby stiffness of different wheel builds and wheel types. Basically, what we're finding here is that for a given hub and spoke build, using different rim designs and materials, our carbon rims are about 10% stiffer in vertical load, about 20% stiffer in lateral load, and we have another measurement up at the top where the force is not directly contacted that kind of measures how straight the wheel stays or how well it tracks. And the carbon is about 30% stiffer in that plane than it is over aluminum.
Here we have our impact rig where we test all of our wheels and validate them for production. The test is designed to duplicate any normal field damage or failure we see in the rims. It took us half a year of striking the rims with different energy and also with different shapes of impact hammers.
We work very closely with our sponsored athletes and the mechanics to make sure that they can trust what they're riding and succeed on it, and that they have a real voice in the design process.
I ride E13 products because the performance is at the highest level. They're super durable for World Cup racing, and I have the opportunity to basically do ongoing product testing and development with these guys pretty much non-stop. So we're constantly refining, and we've tested like every little detail on it so that even when they do break, they break in a certain way, and we just try to maximize the safety, the durability, and the performance in kind of every little detail.
I guess like pretty much as soon as we got on the carbon wheels, we chose to run them because they felt a lot faster and a lot more consistent of a wheel to run. The fact that they're a bit light also makes for, better racing.
I've had an incident in a race run where I did crack a rim. I never lost any pressure. I noticed the hit and I was a little concerned for a couple of seconds, but I didn't notice any different feeling with the wheel or the tyre pressure, so I just kept charging on, and when I got to the bottom and the mechanic looked the bike over, there was a crack in the rim, and just to be able to push that hard and know that I can trust in my wheels no matter what is really cool.
For us, it's really primordial to try to get the product lasting the longest possible, and even in downhill when we have the biggest race support waiting for us at the pit, we still need to make sure that no matter what happens, the bikes go down the hill.
These were the first carbon wheels I ever ran, so to be honest, I was a little bit nervous when I got on carbon wheels, and we tested them extensively before we signed the contract because I was a little nervous. But after I did a lot of testing, I was super confident that they were World Cup, ready to go race. I was having a lot less issues with these than I was with wheels in the past. For a lot of people, that's not a big deal because if you break a rim, you break a rim. But that's also why we now have lifetime warranty on this product. So if you do break a wheel, you can be confident that you'll get a really quick replacement and you can keep riding. These are my new limited edition signature AG1R carbon wheels, which are the same exact wheels basically as the LG1R. We just want to do something fun, mostly with graphics and aesthetic that I've always really loved. Just silver spokes coming from Moto. I think it just looks super trick, and we've got different graphics on here and kind of more the raw carbon look. I've always thought that was really cool when you get them in the sun or whatever. So we just want to do something fun. So I think there's going to be about 30 sets of these that will get sold.
So after years of development with test riders, athletes, and engineers all working together, all riding together, we know that we have wheels that truly are worth the investment. And if anyone has any issues at all, if you're Aaron Gwin or not, we've got your back for life.